If you are looking to add an audio record file to a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you can follow these steps. Open PowerPoint. Launch Microsoft PowerPoint and open the presentation where you want to add the audio file. Insert audio file. Click on the slide where you want to add the audio file. Go to the Insert tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. Choose Audio. In the Media group, click on the Audio drop-down arrow. Select Audio on My PC if you have the audio file saved on your computer. Navigate to Audio File. Browse to the location where your audio file is saved on your computer. Select the audio file and click Insert. Adjust audio settings. Once inserted, the audio icon will appear on the slide. You can click and drag it to reposition it on the slide. Click on the audio icon to display the Audio Tools tab in the ribbon. Use the options in the Audio Tools tab to adjust settings such as playback options, volume, and more. Preview audio. You can preview the audio by clicking on the audio icon and then clicking on the Playback tab in the Audio Tools ribbon. Use the playback controls to listen to the audio. Save presentation. After adding the audio file, remember to save your presentation to retain the changes.